Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're doing neighborhood-wide garage sales. I do have my girlfriend with me. She's over here, but we're in the mix of it, and we're about to be at our first sales. You're definitely gonna ride along. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my truck. And today we're going to neighborhood-wide garage sales. We're about to be at the first one. I know my belt isn't on. There's just a lot going on right now. And I think we take a left up here to go up this giant hill to start seeing these garage sales. All right, so my girlfriend, so basically they had a QR code at the entrance to this neighborhood, and my girlfriend's routing me with my phone to all of these. So I can't wait to see what we find today. This is actually a pretty nice and wealthy neighborhood. It's like at the perch at the top of a hill. Am I in focus? Can't tell if I'm in focus. So yeah, now that I'm finally in focus, I'm excited to see what we find today. That's for sure. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get the free money making guide. I'll pull this way so you can see it right here. It's the first link down below, and you can learn 50 items on what to thrift or go to garage sales to look for that you can buy and resell. We also have another neighborhood-wide garage sale that's deep in the older part of Austin, Texas. So we could find some great things there. I honestly wanted to go to that one first, but that's just, you know, in town. So I think we have a garage sale sign right here. Yeah, there's something right here. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't say there is one, right? Okay, so maybe that's not a sign. Maybe that's a lost dog or something. So the first garage sale is there. The lady's just putting a bunch of baby stuff out, so we're probably gonna pass on that. Let's just keep going. I'm not down for the baby stuff, guys. I'm just not. Not to say that there isn't anything profitable. It's just that I'm not messing with it. And there's a lot of, I think, restrictions on things that can or cannot be resold that are baby things. I know that with seats, at least. That's something like that. Comment down below if I'm kind of close to, you know, making sense on that one. There's a garage sale there. Looks like a gaming chair. Bunch of other random stuff. Gaming chair usually means kiddos live there, so it could be video games, but I don't see anything here at all. Just looks like a bunch of kid clothes, so that's not good. All right, next garage sale is sitting right here. I mean, we saw bikes and everything, so may as well check it out. I don't care about those two so much, but the one that's hanging up could be good. I don't know. Actually, now that I look more at it, it looks kind of cheap. We're still just gonna look. We're still just gonna look. Yeah, those were very low quality bicycles, so definitely a pass. All right, so found these two helmets at that garage sale right there. And this one was $5. You know, usually a CPXR, these will sell between 50 and 100. Nice colorway, which is cool. Dusty, which is nice. Now this is an R helmet, so it's a Cascade. This is lacrosse gear, by the way. A lot more vented helmet right here, pretty cool. This was $8, and this one's TBD, but it's probably still between 50 and 100. So, but I also might take these things to Play It Again Sports and just get paid out straight out of the gates. Like no shipping, anything on eBay, dealing with customers, just dealing with one place. Right. So now we're in the center part of town, and the other neighborhood just didn't really pan out that well. Oh, there's Matt Jackson. How was it? How's this neighborhood?
I like the neighborhood. It's okay. It's probably better than, it didn't look great out there everywhere else, so it's probably better to come here.
Yeah. Did you find some stuff?
I found like a Jägermeister little fridge and a little Specialized bike. 40 bucks for the bike. It's not great though. I see you got an Electra.
Yeah, I found that 2 weeks ago. I'm selling it today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's good to see you, man. Huh?
Have you found anything?
Lacrosse helmets.
Oh, yes,
yeah.
the R.
The R.
Yes.
I have it. Nice. All right, so it's really exciting because there's so many garage sales in this neighborhood, and we found some cool things. One of the things we found was this orange juice press, which is very heavy. It's made by Rashand, pretty nice. Might actually keep that. But I think the more interesting find is what my girlfriend negotiated for 20 bucks. It's this sculpture on a live edge piece, or like a cookie type piece of wood, but it's this like really sharp Wolverine sculpture. I don't know, we're gonna put it in the booth, but this thing is hella dangerous. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but we'll probably list it for about 200 bucks or so in the booth. It is crazy looking. There are a lot of garage sales in this neighborhood. There are a ton. All right, we have a map as well, so that helps us find the cheddar. Okay, so from this garage sale behind me, I found this Hartman suitcase. I have to talk kind of soft because, you know, lady's looking right at me. It's $5, kind of cool. Looks like a 22-inch model. Everything looks pretty good. So it's TBD, it could be like $100 basically. From that garage sale over there, we're finding the wackiest stuff. I mean, look at this. So we have a lamp that will probably go to the booth. I paid, I think, 10 bucks for everything here. This will probably go in the booth already for 40, 50. The little squirrel one back there, probably 20, 30. And then we cut these. This is the weirdest thing I think I found at the garage sale, honestly, like ever. But these are real, looks like bullfrogs, and they're holding wooden instruments and they're jamming out. The weirdest thing ever. Look at this. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I mean, is there anything weirder on YouTube that has been found at a garage sale? These are real. Girlfriend found this awesome lamp with a hide shade, it looks like. This is nice. She paid 5 bucks for that one and that one. This in the booth, probably 20, 40. This one in the booth, 100 plus all day. She also got this glass head, which is great for $1. So she really made it out. She made it out real good on this one. Plus she's got a rad shirt. Check it out. What do you guys think of this shirt? Comment down below. So there's a garage sale tucked around this little corner thing. 62 bucks. This is what I bought. A little stained glass piece right here. This in the booth. It's probably around $100. People just love this kind of stuff. So we're putting it in there. All right, there it goes. It's in there. It's pretty cool. I really like this stained glass piece more than anything. So this is going to be a $100 or $200 piece in the booth. Little hanging stained glass kind of like panel, if you may. But I think the real winner is this Budweiser box that is really nice. So this is a TBD. This could be, I don't know, $150, $200 pretty quick. Just paid $62 for everything. And then I got this really rad shirt, which I'm probably gonna keep because it's so nerdy and cool, but I love it. So let's go see some more garage sales. Also, my girlfriend popped on this vintage Coach Willis bag, and it is in great condition, 25 bucks. She's thinking she can resell it for 200. So that was a find from that same garage sale back there. All right, we're getting close to some of the last garage sales, but look at these trees, guys, in this neighborhood. Oh my Lord. This is I think kind of a bigger garage sale. The trees are just massive. Okay, so yes, I'm actually in my house and I'm getting ready to get this video out to you guys. And no, I'm not naked. Even though you might have thought this was some OnlyFans stuff, it's not. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I thought we found some really cool things at those garage sales. Now looking back at the footage, it's just really cool to see the diversity of finds that ensued that day. If you enjoyed these videos, make sure you hit the like button and follow me, you know, on all my social stuff. But yeah, here's to more ride-alongs and stuff like that. If you're enjoying them, hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.